Hello, I'm Malcolm Dewey. I'm a professional artist and I've been painting for most of my life. I've learned a few things along the way, and one of them is how to make a dramatic improvement to my painting. And it all turned around how I started the painting. Everything that I did before I started putting paint to canvas and how I commenced the painting process. So in this course, I'm going to show you how to avoid that mid-painting frustration where you have to scrape away all the paint and start again. It's a true fact that you can tell within 10 to 20 minutes into your painting whether it's going to work or not. When I started out, I didn't really figure this out until I got to the middle and end stages and realized this painting was never going to work. And I didn't quite grasp why this was the case until I understood that half the painting was done in the beginning stage. If I got that right, my painting had a good chance of turning out fine. So this course is a mini course, but it's a thorough and intensive course as well. What you learn here will form the foundation of your painting process that you can build on for years to come. So I hope you're going to take the opportunity, enroll now, and learn something new about how to make a great success of your painting by focusing on your start. I hope to see you in the course.